Let's be honest, EAM is powerful, but it can be a bit much sometimes. Wouldn't it be nice if the interface actually helped you along the way? Well, it can, and it starts with something really small, tooltips. Let's see how a simple hover can make a big difference. And then there's the Excel part. We all know that feeling. You just want to check one thing, and suddenly you're knee-deep in 12 tabs, formulas, and existential despair. So why not stay in EAM and still see what matters? Let's start with something small, but super useful, the tooltip. Here I hover over this button, and boom, helpful context, right where I need it. It tells me exactly what this feature does. Now let's look at how EAM normally handles Excel documents. Here's a file attached to the work order. Looks promising, right? Well, it's just an icon. I click it, and boom, it downloads the file. Now I'm out of EAM, juggling Excel, probably with 3 other windows open. Not exactly ideal. All right, let's click the magic button. And just like that, boom, instant Excel preview. No downloads, no tab switching, no where did my file go. I get exactly what I need, right here in EAM, with search, tabs, and even export. Honestly, this feels like cheating, but in a good way. Of course, you can still open Excel files the classic way, whether they're stored in EAM, on a SharePoint, or somewhere in the cloud. In our example, that's what the second button does. It opens the file directly in Excel Online via a public link. What you're seeing here is the core logic behind our tooltip. This tooltip is added dynamically using AfterRender. It's all client-side. No changes to forms, no server config. Fast, flexible, and easy to roll out across any screen. Now let's see how the preview magic actually happens. No secrets, just smart rendering. We fetch the file from EAM using ViewDoc, then parse it in the browser with SheetJS and render it into clean HTML. We use it, we love it. If you do too, like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more EAM magic.